Hey guys, welcome back to Unique's Inside channel once again. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you this site where you can earn yourself some free BTC, that is Bitcoin, and withdraw into your wallet automatically once you have put your Faucetpay email address there. Then you will be withdrawing every 5 minutes. You will be claiming every 5 minutes. So the site goes by the name Bit Bitcoin Gen. Bitcoin Gen. So Bitcoin Gen is where you earn Bitcoin every 5 minutes. So without any investment. So to take advantage of this app, of this site, you need a Faucetpay account. So how can you get the Faucetpay account? You have to create a Faucetpay account. So I will drop the link for you to create a Faucetpay account. I'll drop a link for you in the video description box or in the pinned comment section. So locate the link to register for Faucetpay in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So after you might have created a Faucetpay account, you also need to get the link to this site. So I will also drop the link to this site in the video description box or in the pinned comment section. The link to register for this site, I will drop it in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So locate the link in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So after you might have locate those things, then you will now put the link, you will now put that your Faucetpay email address in this box. You can see where it says Faucetpay Bitcoin generator, generate up to 200 Satoshi, okay, every minute. Warning: free accounts are limited to generating only 1 Satoshi every 5 minutes. Not to worry, just be claiming your 1 Satoshi every 5 minutes. You input your Faucetpay account in this box. So let me input my own. So let me input, okay. So then I will click on this place that says generate. You click on generate. Once you have clicked on generate, it's going to be doing like this, okay. So once it's done loading, you can see it's loading the Bitcoin. So now it now says congratulations, you have generated 1 Satoshi. So want to generate more Bitcoin, upgrade to VIP plan. So please don't invest on this site. I'm not saying you should upgrade your plan, okay. I'm not saying you should upgrade because we want to earn for free. This site is 100% free, so you have to be claiming the Bitcoin every 5 minutes. So after after you might have done that, then you will now watch this ad. You can see they say watch our sponsored video for 30 seconds to withdraw your earnings. So you have to watch this video for 30 seconds. So that YouTube will not flag me. I don't want to play the video. Okay. So just play the video. Immediately you have put your email address here, your Faucetpay email address here, you will scroll up and you will play this video for 30 seconds. It will play for 30 seconds. After it is done playing, then your earnings will now go to your Faucetpay account. So that is just it. So there is nothing much on this site, okay. So now let's try and play the video, and we will now go to my Faucetpay account and see if the money, if we receive the 1 Satoshi, 1 Bitcoin Satoshi. Then let's play it, okay. So the thing will be doing like this. So you can see the thing is reading. Oh, the thing is reading. Sorry for the distraction. Once this thing is done reading, then okay. All right. So you now click on continue. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see that it says almost done. You have successfully watched the sponsored video. You can withdraw to your reward to completing the captcha. So you complete the captcha. Once you have completed the captcha, then it's going to load up like this. They say select all image tiers. Okay, let's select staircase. Then you click on verify. Motorcycle, you click on verify. Motorcycle. Okay, then you click on verify captcha. Once you click on verify captcha, it's going to load up. Once it's done loading, you can see it will now say one satoshi was sent to your Faucetpay account. So let's go to my Faucetpay. You can see it, one satoshi was sent to your Faucetpay account. So let's go to my Faucetpay and see if we receive it. I have about 3 Faucetpay accounts. Okay, let me use this one. So okay, let's scroll up. Okay, so this is the payment. This is the payment. You can see from Bitcoin Gen. You can see the amount. You can see the date 20 January 2025. The thing has generate us 1 satoshi. So that is how we are going to be claiming free Bitcoin from this site. Okay, that's how you are going to be claiming free Bitcoin from this site. So you can see what the thing is now telling me. The thing said you have to wait 4 minutes to claim another one. So you will wait every 5 minutes, you will wait 5 minutes to claim another 1 satoshi. So you can claim in a day, you can claim 100 times, you can claim 50 times, you can claim 200 times. Okay, you can claim free Bitcoin 100 times a day. Yes, so it's possible. So you will just be giving it 5 minutes interval. So that is just it. So I think this will be the end of the video. Please do me well to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, okay, and share to families and friends. Remain financially stable, and I will talk more on the site. I will make more videos on the site. So thanks for watching.